Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to sell a car in Forza Horizon 5. To begin, understand that the auction house is your sole destination for selling vehicles. This process is essential for earning valuable in-game credits, especially if you have duplicate cars from wheel spins or simply want to clear out your garage. It also provides a fantastic opportunity to make a profit from rare or expertly tuned cars. There isn't a direct quick sell option to the game itself, so mastering the auction house is key. To access the auction house, first, you'll need to fast travel to either a Horizon Festival site or one of your player houses. Once you've arrived, open your game menu. From there, look for and select the Cars tab, then navigate to the Buy New and Used Cars section. Within this menu, you'll find the auction house option. Click on this to enter the bustling marketplace where you can list your vehicles for sale to other players. Once inside the auction house, select Start Auction to browse your personal garage. Carefully choose the car you intend to sell. Remember, certain vehicles, such as barn finds or loyalty rewards, are restricted from sale. Next, you'll set the auction details. This includes a starting bid price and an optional buyout price, which allows players to instantly purchase your car. It's wise to check current market prices for similar cars to set competitive rates. Finally, choose your desired auction length, from 1 hour up to 24 hours. After setting your prices and duration, confirm your listing to put your car up for auction. You can then monitor its progress by navigating to My Auctions within the auction house. Once an auction concludes successfully, you must return to the auction house to claim your earned credits. It's crucial to claim these within 60 days, or they will be forfeited. If your car doesn't sell, don't worry. You can easily relist it, perhaps adjusting the starting or buyout price, or choosing a different auction length to find a buyer.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.